Someone is standing in 2 inches of water in a Superior basement right now, holding their phone at 11 at night, searching for emergency help. If your restoration company does not show up in those top map results, they are calling your competitor. That high value emergency job, the kind that turns into a massive restoration project, just went to the business that figured out local search. If you run a restoration company in Superior, Colorado, you know how critical timing is. When pipes burst, when smoke damage ruins a kitchen, or when mold takes over, people do not flip through the yellow pages. They open Google, they type water damage restoration near me or emergency flood repair. And if your Google business profile is sitting there abandoned since the day you set it up, Google treats your business like you are closed. Getting found online for emergency services is not about having a pretty website with corporate jargon. It is about signals. It starts with your Google business profile. Are your categories right? Do your service areas explicitly include Superior? Are you posting photos of recent jobs and getting reviews from real customers that mention the specific town and service? Google looks for active, verified businesses that serve the local community. Below the map, your website needs pages built around actual search intent, not a single generic services page, but specific pages for water damage, fire cleanup, and mold remediation written in plain English. People searching for help at 2 in the morning want to know you handle emergencies, and they want to be able to call you in 2 taps. Citations matter too. Having your business name, address, and phone number listed consistently across major directories tells Google you are an established, trustworthy local contractor. You do not need a 12-step proprietary framework or aggressive sales tactics to fix your local search presence. You just need a clear foundation that puts your restoration company in front of property owners when disaster strikes. If you want to see where your business currently stands for emergency searches in Superior, let us take a look together. No pressure, no complicated sales script, just a clear plan to help your crew get found. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it, or visit caseysSEO.com.